welcome to Science. Today we're going to get to do another experiment, and to help me do it today, I have Miss Lime! Hi, thank you for joining me today.
I am so excited. I love doing science experiments.
Me too. It's like the best part of my week. So this week, since we've been learning about rocks in science, what better time to do an experiment with rocks? Okay, so our question today, Miss Lime, can you tell them what our question is? What are we wondering?
Do rocks float?
Do rocks float? I don't know. You know, I've seen rocks in like lakes and ponds and stuff, and
they're normally at the bottom.
Yeah, they're usually at the bottom, so I don't know about that.
My hypothesis is I think that rocks will not float.
Yeah, I'm going to have to agree with you on that because I don't know if I've ever seen a rock floating. Have you?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think it's going to work. What do you guys think?
That's interesting. Yeah. Some of them agreed with us. Yeah.
They all had different ideas. Let's see who's right. And if you're wrong, is that bad?
No, that's why we do science experiments. It's so we can learn for the future and know things.
That's right.
If we knew the answer, we wouldn't have to.
There would be no point. There would be no point, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, we need a big bucket of water.
And this could be an easy experiment for you to do at home. If you went and found some rocks that you wanted to do, you could test it really easily. Okay, so for today we have 3 different types of rocks, okay? And we're going to test them each one at a time to see if it's going to float or if it's going to sink.
Oh my goodness. Okay, here's rock number 1. Miss Jones, can you describe this rock?
Oh, it's very white and it's pretty smooth. It's got some bumps on it, but it's really small.
What kind of a rock do you think that is then, Miss Jones?
Oh my gosh, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe sedimentary. It looks like it was compacted by other rocks.
Yeah, I agree. And it feels kind of soft. And I remember we learned that like a chalk rock would be sedimentary.
That's right.
All right, I'm gonna put it in the water, Miss Jones.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Ready?
Oh, look at that!
I was right. We were right.
Oh my gosh. Should we even do the next one?
Well, a good thing to do with a science experiment is try a couple different ways because not every single rock looks like that or is that rock. So, I don't know, maybe a different rock will be different.
Oh my gosh, look at this rock. Look at that.
That is so big.
It looks so different. Can you describe the properties of this one?
You know what? I see a bunch of different colors, and I think I see like maybe some old shells or fossils in there, and it definitely looks like it's been compacted. Like different sediments have been compacted, and it's really rough.
Yeah, I would say this is probably a sedimentary rock too. All right, let's see. It's really heavy, so I don't know if it's going to be able to float. All right, let's go do this one in the middle. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that was a big kerplunk.
Yeah, that definitely did not even have a moment of floating.
It did not float at all, Miss Jones.
So far, we're 2 for 2. I think we got this, Miss Lime.
Yeah. Oh, we have one more rock, Miss Jones.
One more? Okay.
Ooh, this is an interesting rock.
Oh, that is. Oh, it kind of looks like spongy almost.
You know what, Miss Jones? I think that's a metamorphic rock.
Oh, you think so?
It looks like some of those lava rocks we were seeing, and those were the metamorphic rocks, right?
Yeah, that's very true. So let's see. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I mean, the other 2 sank, so I'm pretty sure.
They say, oh, it's going to sink.
Like there's no question, right? Okay. Let's try it. Oh my God! Look at that!
Miss Jones!
Oh, this is why I love science experiments. I never would have guessed.
Oh my God. Miss Jones, that's a rock, and it's floating.
It's floating. Oh my word. My mind is blown.
But Miss Jones, so how come there's only one rock that floated? So do all rocks float?
Well, no, because look, you see that these 2 just sank right to the bottom. So no, not all rocks float. But I think it's safe to say that at least some of them do.
Yeah, you know what, Miss Jones? I'm noticing, because this is a metamorphic rock, and it has all of those holes and stuff in it from being in the lava, maybe that is what is helping keeping it afloat.
Oh, that's a good observation. I like that. Who knows? That's really cool, though.
So, our hypothesis was not correct.
No.
But that's okay, because this is so cool.
Yeah, and now we can report our results to other people, to your family members. You can report the results, and then they can try new experiments with different types of rocks.
Oh, that's so true. Oh, we should go find some more rocks to keep experimenting.
I think so. Maybe your kids can go find some. Like they did yesterday on their
the rock scavenger hunt would float?
That is such a good question.
You're going to have to let us know if you
Let us
found a rock that
know.
floats.
Let us know. All right, guys, do you have an activity in Seesaw, or if you're in class, you're going to get a paper copy. You are going to, what are you going to do, Miss Lauren?
Oh, you're going to write down your hypothesis, and you're going to draw rock 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, yeah, so make sure you observe what each rock did so you can draw it correctly.
That's right.
And then I think at the bottom you have to circle whether your hypothesis
Mhm.
was right.
That's right.
I
And
bet-
ours was wrong, but
That's
okay.
okay. That's okay. We learned something really cool today.
Mhm.
All right, guys, you have fun doing your activity, and we will see you next week. Bye.